Tanishra was a calm and thoughtful girl who worked at a small bookstore. She loved reading, but English speaking always made her nervous. She understood stories in English, yet her voice shook whenever she tried to speak. One quiet afternoon, Tanishra decided to challenge herself. She picked one short English story from the shelf every day and read it aloud after closing the shop. She spoke slowly, focusing on clear words, not speed. Sometimes she made mistakes, but she smiled and continued. At home, Tanishra practiced speaking about her day in English. She described customers, books, and her feelings. These small conversations with herself helped her gain confidence. Slowly, English started feeling natural. Weeks later, an English-speaking customer visited the shop. This time, Tanishra spoke calmly and explained book suggestions in simple English. The customer listened carefully and thanked her. That evening, Tanishra felt proud. She realized that confidence comes from practice, not perfection. English is just a language, and anyone can learn it with patience, courage, and simple daily stories.